Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best razor holder is probably one of the most underrated bathroom accessories. Tired of cluttered shower spaces and dull razors? This video is your ultimate guide to finding the perfect shower razor holder suction cup. We'll dive deep into the world of these handy gadgets, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for to ensure you get the best one for your needs. Get ready to transform your shower routine. Number 5. LUXEAR Suction Hooks, Removable and Reusable. These LUXEAR suction hooks are made of high-strength transparent plastic. They are incredibly powerful and stable, so you never have to worry about them falling off. The maximum load-bearing capacity is 3 kilograms. No tools are needed to install these hooks. Simply find a smooth surface, push the suction cup onto it, and rotate the gear to lock it in place. It's that easy to set up. These hooks can hold up to 6.61 pounds. They're perfect for hanging towels, loofahs, and more. They work on windows, mirrors, and other smooth surfaces. These hooks leave no trace after removal. To reuse them, simply soak them in warm water, let them dry, and they'll be good as new. You can reuse them again and again. Please note that these hooks work best on smooth surfaces. If you have any questions, please contact us. We offer a refund or replacement warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This razor holder features a high-tech knob technology, making it incredibly stable. You can install it without any tools, screws, or nails. Plus, it's removable and reusable, leaving no trace behind. If you are looking for a long-lasting and easy-to-install solution for your shower, this is the one for you. What people say. Excellent suction from day one. Even moved one suction cup to another location on my acrylic shower wall and it still sticks perfectly. Product is sturdy and works well. The knob adds more hold security. It's actually larger than I expected. It's easy to install. Holds my razor without falling off. The suction has been holding up very well, and hasn't fallen off into the tub, which I struggled daily prior to this purchase. It's easy to install. Number 4. Command Razor Holder, Clear Frosted, for x 2.5 x 1.5. Tired of cluttered countertops? This holder is perfect for organizing your bathroom essentials. It's a great way to keep your razors or toothbrushes neatly stored. Forget about drills and nails. This holder uses water-resistant adhesive strips for easy installation. You can hang it on various surfaces without any tools. This holder is strong and can withstand wet conditions. It can adhere to most surfaces, providing a reliable hold for your items. This holder can hold items up to 3 pounds. It's perfect for razors, toothbrushes, or other small bathroom accessories. When you're ready to remove it, there's no sticky residue left behind. It's a damage-free solution for your bathroom organization. The package includes one holder and one medium strip. It's everything you need to get started with your bathroom organization. What we like. This holder uses water-resistant adhesive strips, allowing for damage-free installation on various surfaces. It's strong and versatile, holding up well in wet conditions. And the best part? It removes cleanly without leaving any residue. If you are looking for a simple, no-fuss solution that won't damage your walls, this is perfect for you. What people say. It does have drainage holes, which is a good thing. They stick well and are the perfect size. Not just for razors. I needed something that would allow the razor to be handy, because I always forget to grab a razor when I shower, but also keep out of constant water while showering. Command strips have not let me down. This cup hasn't budged since we put it up. I have it placed on the same wall as the shower head so it doesn't get splashed with a ton of water, but even if it did, I wouldn't be concerned. It holds my razor and my husband's without issue, and I appreciate that once we place the razor back in, the water can drain out. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Razor Holder. Tired of razors cluttering your shower? This holder offers a convenient and compact solution. It keeps your razor within easy reach, making your routine more streamlined. The PVC-free suction cup ensures a strong grip on smooth, non-porous surfaces. You can trust it to stay in place, even in a steamy bathroom environment. The hook is designed to flex, accommodating a wide range of razor handle sizes. Whether it's a small travel razor or a larger one, it should fit perfectly. The surface is smooth and easy to wipe clean. This helps maintain a hygienic environment in your shower. It's a breeze to keep it looking its best. For optimal performance, clean the surface thoroughly with hot, soapy water before applying. Make sure the surface is dry and free of any residue for the best adhesion. What we like. This razor holder offers convenient and compact storage. It uses a PVC-free suction cup for a secure hold on smooth surfaces. The surface is smooth and easy to clean. If you like a simple and reliable holder for your razor, you should consider this one. What people say. They hold very good so far, they haven't fallen or moved. It's well made, stays put and works. It keeps my razor clean and dry when not in use. I don't have to worry about it collecting soap scum. The suction is great. I don't need to constantly put it back up, and it was kind of hard to take off when I needed to move it. Number 2. iDesign shower hooks for razor, loofah, washcloth. Introducing the iDesign shower hooks. This is the perfect solution to organize your bathroom essentials. It's designed to keep your space tidy and your items within reach. This holder uses a power lock suction system, attaching firmly to non-porous surfaces. It's ideal for saving counter space in any bathroom, from your master bath to a dorm room. This hook is not just for razors. You can also use it to hold loofahs, washcloths, toothbrushes, and other small objects. It's a versatile addition to any bathroom. Made of durable plastic, this hook is built to last. You can count on it to provide years of quality use, even in a humid bathroom environment. Installing this hook is a breeze. Simply lift, push, and lock it onto any smooth, non-porous surface. It's a quick and easy way to upgrade your bathroom organization. Each holder measures 2.25 by 2.25 by 2.5 inches, making it the ideal size for your home. It's compact yet effective, providing the storage you need without taking up too much space. What we like. This holder is designed to save space in your bathroom. It's versatile and can hold razors, loofahs, and more. Installation is quick and easy with its power lock suction. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to organize your bathroom, this is a great choice. What people say. This clip is sturdy plastic and the suction is strong. Everywhere has a mirror to hang this on, even when there's not a lot of space. I've been using 2 of these for about 8 months and I'm very happy with them. Number 1. TAILI Suction Cup Razor Holder, Easy Install. Tired of complicated installations? This holder is different. It installs in just 1 second, causing 0 damage to your walls. Simply press it onto a smooth surface until you hear a puff. Inspired by nature, the suction cup uses bionic technology. It's waterproof, oil-proof, and built to last. This holder can hold up to 11 pounds and will stay firmly in place for years. The design includes drainage holes to prevent water from pooling. This keeps the holder clean and hygienic. It's a smart design for a better shower experience. The holder's curved design fits most razors perfectly. You can hang your razor securely without worry. Each holder can even accommodate 2 razors, making it a great gift. This holder isn't just for razors, you can hang towels, loofahs, and more. Use it in the bathroom, kitchen, or anywhere you need it. Remember, it works best on smooth, airtight surfaces. More and more people are choosing suction cup products for their convenience. TAILI offers high-quality, long-lasting products. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll help you within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing us. What we like. This razor holder offers a quick 1-second installation, causing 0 damage to your wall. It features a powerful suction cup inspired by octopus tentacles. It also prevents ponding with drainage holes. If you are looking for a holder that is easy to install and keeps your space clean, you should consider this one. What people say. They stick well, are easy to install, and feel like good quality. These are great hooks for your shower. I have my razor on it and a wash gloves, and it is holding up very good. It was very easy to install. The button to create the secure suction is large and ensure a solid attachment on a dry surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.